Okay guys, this is a 31 town sedan and I've started taking apart the brakes. Will you guys tell me if this is normal or if this is acceptable? It's vertical movement. Does that just need a shim? Let me know. There's no back and forth movement, but I think that's all taken up by the tie rod back there. So I don't think this is normal. Let me know. Alright guys, it's only been about 2 hours. This is the next day and here we go. Absolutely no vertical movement. I replaced the Kingpin, thrust washer, shim, and whatever you call this little locker down there. You drive him through and it locks the Kingpin in place. My original Kingpins were pretty worn, it looks like. So that's all I did. Absolutely no vertical movement. I'm very impressed. Both sides are like that now. So on to the next thing.